Hello again, fourth graders, and welcome to our Writers Workshop, Unit 3. This is Session 3 as we bring history to life. Today it's called Planning and Writing with Greater Independence. Today is the exciting day when you get to begin your subtopic, and we'll dive right into that as we go along through this session. Learning to ride a bike. Tricycles are bikes that are easy for a little kid to ride because it has 3 wheels. Well, a lot of supports. After tricycles, kids moved on to 2-wheel bikes with training wheels. And then kids move on to 2-wheel bikes without training wheels. Well, learning is similar to riding a bike. You get a lot of help for a while, and then you get a little less help, and you do more on your own, and then finally, with a lot of practice and feedback, you can do it yourself. Well, that's how this unit will go. You've had some practice looking at a text, planning your own sections, note-taking, and drafting. Now it's time to do it again. More on your own so that you know how, even when there are no training wheels to support you. Writers take strategies they've learned in the past and apply them to new situations, working with more independence and skill each time. Fourth graders, today you'll get time to finish up your Revolutionary War section and get ready to write another section of your book using the same skills and steps you've used to write the Revolutionary War section. If we go back to Naomi's book, her book was all about the battles of Lexington and Concord. She chose a more focused topic of the Revolutionary War. Now you chose a subtopic a few days ago, and today you will collect notes and get your thoughts in order to write all about your focused topic. The subject is different, but the planning process is the same. Some steps, strategies, and ideas for anchor charts are meant to help you throughout the unit and throughout life. Make sure you look over the anchor chart and think about what you've learned in this unit so far. What will you work on today? Maybe you'll quickly revise or finish what you wrote yesterday. But most of your time will be tackling the next section of your informational book, an all-about section of the focused topic. How will you work today? How will you get started on this next section of information writing? What kind of research and writing will you need to do today so that you can draft tomorrow? So your job today is to plan, research, and draft, or draft, research, and plan. Remember to build on what you know, calling on what you've learned about how to make your writing great. I wish you well. Today, launch into your subtopic. If you need to plan, research, and draft, use EPIC. Use the information from the books for your subtopic as you begin to draft out and research. Or perhaps you're just going to draft, research, and plan, just like our screen here says. I wish you well as you get started on your focused subtopic. Good luck, fourth graders.